Hey there! So this video thing, it's getting all sorts of crazy, isn't it? Let's look at some quick numbers. In 2018, over 81% of businesses are using video as a marketing tool. Of those who aren't, over 70% are planning to start in 2018. And consumers? Well, they love video too. 76% of consumers would rather use video to learn about a product or service. So enough with the stats. We know video is dominating in 2018 and beyond. And if you're not using it, you're going to get left behind. But here's the deal. Long gone are the days when you could whip up something quick and it would do the job. These days, if you don't catch a prospect's attention quickly and get them engaged, you're going to lose them forever. In other words, poor quality and low-grade video actually do your business more harm than good. And that's where we come in. We help businesses like yours create stunning animation videos to showcase your brand, product, or service without the usual headaches, including complex software you have to spend hours trying to figure out, unreliable freelancers who take forever and barely speak English, hiring your niece who's kinda good, but you're afraid to tell her it's not what you need. In other words, we create things like this, and this, and this, with your custom logo and branding. So you can focus on what you do best, running your business. And we can do what we do best, create irresistible videos your audience can't stand not to watch and want more of. So you can command attention, engage prospects, showcase your value, and stand out in a crowded marketplace to convert more prospects into paying clients. So, if you're looking for the highest quality professional-grade animations, the fastest delivery with zero lag time, videos that captivate with a real-world ROI, then look no further. We're here for you. The only question left is, are you ready to get started and create your masterpiece?